Yes. Okay. So, children, we are going to learn how to brush the teeth. Okay, ba? So, first, most important thing is you should brush your teeth nicely. Ella pallu you should brush. It is not there. Pallu. Sariya. See, children, this is tooth. Okay, we have brought a tooth model for you. Okay, so how to brush and paklama? So, first most thing is you should use toothpaste. Okay. So, brush வந்து wash பண்ணணும். Before taking and brushing it, you should wash your brush, children. Okay? Brush நல்லா wash பண்ணிட்டு you should apply paste. So, paste போடலாமா? Okay? நீ பாருங்க, ma'am has applied paste on it. Okay? Then so, putting in brush, putting in. How to brush this? See, you will brush like this. Okay, all the area you should brush up, down, right, left. Okay, all the way you should brush, children. Okay, after brushing we will wash our brush and the mouth also, that is the tooth part. So we washing it. Good. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Face wash பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா? So we will do face wash. So this is face wash. We will wash our face. நான் சும்மா மேம் வந்து இதை காட்டுறேன். I'm not actually doing it. So soap போட்டு we will wash our face. தண்ணி வச்சு we will wash our face. Isn't it? Then what we will do? We can use towel or you can use tissues also, children. Okay. So you will wipe your face like this. Okay. Hands ellame clean and neat. You should wipe it. Okay. So now the next step is you will take bath. Isn't it? Daily you should take bath, children. Go side. Go there. Germs in your body. So you should clean your body. Isn't it? So அதே மாதிரி தலைக்கு குளிக்கணும். Weekly twice you can take a head bath and clean your head. Wash it with with a shampoo and apply a good conditioner. Okay, so that you will not have any trouble. ஓகேவா? தலையை சொரிஞ்சிக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க சில குழந்தைங்க. ஏன்னா உள்ள வந்து பூச்சி இருக்கும், பேன் இருக்கும், அதனால கடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கும். கரெக்டா? So when you keep